Well, Superkins, and it's been a while since the last scam websites video, but I was just looking through the software gore subreddit, and I came upon this very convincing scam website. Oh, well, that looks really familiar. It looks like Microsoft official support. It looks like the old design, the Windows design. Except it says Windows warning, there's like a new error message. And oh yeah, it tries that whole trying to fake Google Chrome within Google Chrome, as if the image of a Google Chrome alert wasn't enough. And yes, before you ask, this is the Google Pixel 2, by the way. So just wanted to bring that out if you wonder what's up with the pixel-like buttons down here. But I opened up the scam website in the mobile version of Google Chrome, and you can see its URL down there, osabu54.stream. The strangest name I've seen for a scam website. Now, one thing to point out right away is that it isn't called Microsoft Official Support. They're calling themselves Windows Official Support. Microsoft doesn't call themselves Windows, though. This sounds like what the tech support scammers like to address themselves as. For some reason, they like to call themselves Windows instead of Microsoft. I wonder if Microsoft David is here, he's gonna say critical alert from Windows. Hack! He's gonna say hack! Oh yeah, about that hackers thing. But I guess I should go here on the computer version, because the laptop is actually running at a good frame rate now when it's recording. That's a good sign. I should do it while it still lasts. You never know with Windows 10. Oh, by the way, Abu, that makes me think of Aladdin or something. Abu. Anyways, we're now on Windows 10. And now we're on Windows Official Support. Why does it have a translator.css? Why does it have translator? Do they have Google Translate somewhere on the webpage? Also alert. And CSS and... why do people like to hide their JavaScript? Audio area. Alert Microsoft. We must look at these for obvious reasons. We always look at these. Before we do, just in case it captures it, I'm dropping the volume down. Let's open up some potentially dangerous files. That's what we always do on scam websites. Open up their potentially dangerous MP3 files. Look at their weird website that might try to lock up the browser or whatever. And they already tried that. They try to go in full screen. They try to bring up a bunch of alerts, which is still unnecessary. But apparently they have new techniques, apparently. Don't know if they're going to use them here or not. Why can't I save you? Oh, there. Now if I get saved a bunch of times. Ah! What was that? What was that big delay right there? I only downloaded it twice, but don't need 2 alerts from Microsoft. Oh well, let's open up Audacity, because we need to see what these 2 files are. Oh no, is this Ananat? It's by Ananat. Ah, it was Ananat. Returning from the dead. The sound from Microsoft Official Support. So yes, this similarity right here already tells me that yes, official Windows support is the spiritual successor to Microsoft Official Support. Yep, we have a connection between the scam websites. Now, are you Microsoft David, or are you the better old quality voice? That's gonna be Microsoft David. We're still gonna have the audio downgrade, but we're gonna have at least a better website to look at. Although, if I need to find a way to have not have the scripts be loaded.
Critical alert from Microsoft.
Critical alert from Microsoft. Still by David. See? Well, I know what's gonna happen right here. You skip this, please remember me. Sign you off, girl.
Here, he, sis, Mr. Wondering. Girl, and girl, each master, there, never, Mr. Lee, real message, so people be, sign off, girl, you cheap.
Sign off, girl.
Sis, I'll go over there, we all been serious, net, girl, the sir, that was.
Strange network, platypus. Also, why does his voice sound slower? It sounds like he's like depressed or something. It's like he doesn't sound happy this time. Like I'm serious about the scam. Or maybe like I'm tired of you scammers using me.
Girl, people be, sign. Real messages, girl, never, Mr. Lee, real.
Fun hack. Fun hack. Oh, see. I just heard the ha. There's the ha. Voice is ha. How is ha the same backwards and forwards? How is that possible? It's just as weird as how if you reverse no, it becomes one. Yeah, try reversing that's your bucket. No! Try reversing like the no, it becomes one? Oh, so we still have the same dialogue as before, except Microsoft David does not sound happy about them using him again. Can't really blame him. I wouldn't like being used by scammers. I'd probably be like, I'm gonna secretly send Microsoft in to shut you all down very fast. How do you make him sound depressed? How do you make his pitch lower? I always see as a voice speed. That would not make him sound sad.
Critical alert from Microsoft.
Doesn't sound like that depressed voice. Unfortunately, I cannot record right now unless I stop the recording. But why would I do that? So what is the best way to visit this? How do I switch off your scripts? How do I stop JavaScript? That's how I can view the website. I think that's what I did in that one video. I can remember I visited in like Internet Explorer and I was actually able to see the web page. I think I have to turn off JavaScript in order to make this work. No. Block that. Okay, let's visit the scam website. You know what I say, I hate to do this, but I want to see if I can get it to not work. Okay, is it off? Yeah. Wait, fire. No, I'm blocking. It's not listening, is it? Reload! Nope, it can't reload. I can scroll though, so this isn't a problem. Critical alert from Microsoft. But really, this is totally a different error message. That's a different error than normal. I'm gonna turn this down so you actually can hear me. Because they're spamming sounds this time, not just the voice. But nah. Oh wait, but there's a way we can actually get rid of this. Mute site! I think scammers will have to work a way around that. I will go away around that! From the like you use horse trash song. This is just my sharing song for the record. Additional dialogues. That's not how it says it when mine does it. Oh, cool. They're not trying to lock my browser up or anything. That's good. I can do this. Let's see if I try to do this twice. It's like, why aren't you coming up with the with the checkbox in the dialogue? I thought that was supposed to come up if you started spamming them. Click OK to close this page. I doubt you'll do that. Knowing you, scammers. Oh, good news. Report a support scam is back. Bad news, it's still a fake link. Also, another bad news. You remember Windows? They fixed it. There's no stupid Windows typo on the scam website anymore. There's no Windows logo either. So it's literally just Windows, no Windows. Also, is that really their phone number? 1-800-800-8000. Let's see what happens if I hit things on this webpage. Oh, you can fake it. Why did you hit OK? Does it come up with the thing? No, it just does nothing. The button does nothing. Or at least they're not trying to force me to the top of the page every few seconds this time. But wait. 2016 Windows? Why are you trying to ignore Microsoft? It's obvious who owns Windows. You think that people aren't going to search for Windows and they're going to see Microsoft's name written beside it? Yeah, it's Windows, Microsoft. Still, 2016, that's very odd. Why do you all have a 2-year-old design? I don't know. So, I guess we can safely revert this. I'm still blocking your sound permission. I do want to change this back. This JavaScript is needed anywhere else. What else is there to do here? Well, yeah, let's look at the Microsoft support. Windows support. It's like official Windows support. Windows official support. Is that what they're trying to imitate? That's one, the Microsoft support. Well, there's a difference. Yeah, this is an outdated layout. There's no blue thing on Microsoft support. It's just the virtual agent. And Windows, which they've now actually made consistent. But what's missing from theirs? Quite a lot's missing, I think. Yeah, there's no HoloLens, no Windows mixed reality, no Microsoft Store, or even OneDrive? Yeah, there is OneDrive. Is Xbox there? Yeah, Xbox there. So report a support scam. I know from one of the previous times I've encountered the scam website that that's just for people who had unfortunately had to deal with those scammers. But I don't need to deal with them. Just pointing out that Microsoft has updated their website, making this pretty outdated as the top part no longer matches. Also, scammers, you might want to put the Try Microsoft Edge at the top. You'll need to include this. That's what the official website does. I don't know how many people use Edge, but I doubt a lot of the people that encounter your website are using Edge based on how you have a fake Google Chrome alert box right here. So clearly, you could just put the Try Microsoft Edge at the top, make it look even more convincing. But there's not really much else to do on that website. However, why not combine both in one video? Let's both record the Windows official support, and let's look at those other random scammy websites that try to pop up whenever I visit my convenient bookmark. I'll transition. Anyway, let's now go into Google Chrome. I don't need all these tabs for this, and I don't even need this tab. Because I want incognito mode. Because the problem with some scam websites is that whenever they load, they typically like to try taking over my history. Like, you'll look at your history and then there will be a bunch of them and they'll be like the same website. Not like Reddit here, but it's kind of similar looking. Then I have to manually clear my history from the previous hour, and then it usually has a bunch of casualties and gets rid of a bunch of legitimate websites. Yeah. Oh yeah, now I have two different random ad things. One is usually safe, one is mature. Strangely, when I was doing it on mobile, I was redirected to some weird website with naked girls visible. Like almost every time I use that link. They have a cool name though, Celestial Avenger. That's a cool name. If my game didn't have those master bosses, I probably would call them Celestial Avenger. But we're not here for mature content. That adult online game is the furthest we'll go with that. Anyways, add gaming app search to get quick access to all your favorite games in one click. Y'all are still catching on about me liking games, huh? But I won't trust random extensions. I've said that in the past. And Windows XP? You still support Windows XP? We actually have a Windows XP computer around here. Not that I would trust this. Especially because Google decided to really listen to Microsoft and there's no support for them on there. It's really stupid. I wouldn't obey Microsoft if they said, hey, this isn't supported. I don't care, I'm still making my games support your old operating system. Or at least mine would if I actually merged when they would support for it. But I should do that in their version. It was just gaming app search. It looks familiar to something I've seen before. I think that this was like that music search. The add music search or something, and it had that same icon. Strange. What's gonna come up next? What's the next scam website? Next link 7. Oh, it's literally the same thing we just saw a few seconds ago. No. I'm worried it's gonna throw me onto mature websites. I'm gonna accidentally hit mature. Yeah, it's very easy to hit mature. I don't want to do that. myfood.ltd. It's kind of strange this would be something you'd be randomly redirected to. That's what this bookmark mainly has. It just has pages that you would randomly get redirected to whenever there's ads randomly over. So yeah, this is the type of thing you would see. So keep in mind those could appear too, and it doesn't even make sense because there's nothing like these, which are the type of web pages we're used to. Different domain, same website. I saw it change, but this looks the same. Are we gonna get the same thing over and over again? At least it's not like that Amazon wheel scam. On mobile, I get that thing like 90% of the time. Is this all there is? Then where's that scam website? That Windows official support. Looks like I'm going to enable something. You see, I actually installed an extension into Google Chrome that allows me to see scam websites on Android and iOS, because they are different. This HTTP user agent switcher will let me do that. I can use it to do cool things like the Pretty Cure wallpaper. If I want the mobile wallpaper, I just have to switch to a mobile device. Although usually guys like to choose this one just to be safe. Then open it up, and it loads the mobile one. By the way, I don't even have this one downloaded yet. I'd like this image. Yeah, just gonna save it there for now. But still, now that we're on the iPhone to it, all the scam websites will be the ones you would see on an iPhone, including if an app redirected you out of the app you're in. I've seen this one, and I've probably seen a lot of them that appeared on Android, but running into this one first is kind of a surprise. You get greeted with a giant eye. This isn't the whole page. There's a message underneath it. But for some reason they make us want to scroll down just to see an image of text. Oh, come on, you know, it's almost like a pet peeve of mine. You're too lazy to really not make that text. It's very easy to make text like that, you know? Ah, the eyeball. Sometimes these ads actually redirect you to Amazon. I'm not sure what they do. Interesting farts. Like how I like to say fart, or I like to stick the word fart inside of my code when I'm messing around or when I'm trying to debug something. Like, did it catch on to me like the right fart randomly? Oh, and it's trying to search for 8-year-old girl gifts funny unicorn farts by Hocus Pocus. Sounds suspiciously like really specific search. I'm kind of in that mode where I don't really say things as good. I feel kind of slow. It's like my mind's gonna mess me up in a second. But let's introduce the most common scam I've already mentioned. The Amazon wheel scam. Not the Amazon website, which is not a scam. It's the Amazon wheel scam. It's what a cute dog. This is a legitimate website. That's good. Why are you trying to connect to Apple Music? I guess because you think I'm on an iPhone, so I'm gonna have that. So yeah, let's look at the Amazon wheel scam. To make things easier, let's just get rid of this thing in the front. So this is the Amazon wheel scam. It reminds me of the similar Facebook wheel scam, which unfortunately my mama has fallen for. Is kind of angry to think she actually fell for that. So it kind of makes it personal if that one appears. But the Amazon one is not the one she fell for, even though it does look kind of similar with that gift icon. I think that's also on the Facebook one. What's up with these Apple emoji? Strangest, yeah. Oh, and once again, just like the other wheel scam we looked at, which I think actually was the Facebook one, I was watching it recently. But still, just like the last time we saw one of these wheel scams, they try to put images in to make it look legitimate. They probably stole these images from somewhere on the internet. Google? Is this? Yeah, see this? It's just a generic image used on other legitimate websites. Oh yeah, and something that's really weird here, it makes me think that maybe the Facebook wheel scam probably had this image, this smiley face, which it makes sense, because this smiley face is on Facebook. It's one of the Meep stickers. But for some reason they use the Meep sticker on an Amazon wheel scam, which makes you think it's probably a leftover of the Facebook wheel scam, but the funny thing is I never recall seeing it on that one. Is there a second Facebook wheel scam I don't know about? I don't know, but if you search for this, you see Facebook, because that's the Meep stickers. At least I know what those are. Anyways, let's just move on to the next one and not hit the mature button. Redirecting to bit.ly. Foreign language! Oh, never mind. Bitcoin. Ah! So you've caught on to my interest in cryptocurrencies, haven't you? Well, so much for incognito. It looks like they know about my liking of games and cryptocurrency. Specifically, if I knew how to mine more Monero, but need people to help out with that. Visit my website, and you can help with Coin Hive. Don't worry, it doesn't do it in the background. You have to do it yourself. You have to authorize it. Ah, so many things are trying to put me on iTunes. Where's those? Yeah, remove that domain. But where's those ones that say like you need this random app? Where are those? I haven't seen those. H98 really? Oh, I've seen that one on my Android device. It's that stupid website with the funny picture of that kid with the glasses on. Except it's just the video. There's no redeeming funny picture at the bottom. It's stupid. Anyways, let's just switch over. Oh, that's weird. If you switch to Android while you're on one of those redirecting to iTunes things, you can see what it's trying to take you to. Adam. Anyways, let's see what's on Android. I'm actually kind of scared, because this is my thing trying to come. I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. I'm gonna move around in circles. Oh no, I'm not a robot too. Nope, nope. We'll restart this. I'm not a robot. It keeps randomly restarting itself. That's not gonna help with the CAPTCHA if you don't let reCAPTCHA ever finish detecting a robot. I didn't know that was just a series of images, Google. Oh, that's cheap. You're trying to fake a reCAPTCHA? Google's not going to be happy about this. I'm pretty sure Google's behind reCAPTCHA now. Oh no, the wheel scam. Let me guess, wheel scam again. Oh no, it's trying to download a virus APK. Oh yeah, this is something. Yes, virus detected. Good. It's just because that's what randomly happens. Yeah, you thought that these random scam websites were, like, harmful. They're really harmless. A lot of them just display information or try to scare you into downloading a weird app. But it's up to you to download the apps. But right here, it tried to download a virus APK file. Without permission, it just randomly starts. And that's what I encountered on Android. I actually uploaded it to a virus website, and it did report it was a virus. So yeah, be careful. Some random ads may try to give you a virus, and not just redirect you to a scam website. Oh, but here's something we haven't seen. Dear Samsung Galaxy S4 user. Oh, you told me the date, making it seem so legitimate. Congratulations! We're YouTube. Pay no attention to the totally different URL in the URL thing here. Claim your prize.bid. I'm just gonna remove this. Where's that stupid looking fade? Where's that stupid looking fade? What about where that stupid fade is? There's audio here. Alert 6! I'm worried it's gonna be some high pitched beep or something. One of those scam websites has it's like, it's like, ah! It makes it kind of scary. Nope, it just sounds like some generic 8-bit sound. It almost sounds like it was made with BFXR. Or something. It isn't showing up here, but I know that's what it's called. No offense to BFXR. I mean, it did help with some sounds in Mary's Magical Adventure. How often do you visit YouTube? All the time! That's where I look at all my videos. Yeah. Most of them, 99% of them. Anyways, YouTube would not give out random gift cards just because you answer things. And as we know from the wheel scams, if you'll fall for them, they're going to hack into your Facebook account. So that's for the Facebook wheel scam, but still. After what that website did. You just can't trust these surveys and wheel scams. Anyway. Usually safe. Oh, it's another wheel scam. This is a new one. Except it's just a bunch of Apple stuff. So you either have an inferior operating system on the iPhone and iPad, or you have an good, I guess, OS, Mac OS is better than iOS. Yeah. Oh yeah, but these websites like to stop on a fake space, and they do it every single time. Then afterwards, they magically land on something, and that looks very similar to ones I've seen in the past. Anyway, so what does it do? Anyways, I'm just gonna hit usually save for a second. 999, only if you left. Warning, your Samsung GT i9505 phone may be at risk. Follow the instructions to protect it. Oh, and then it pops up with this. What does this have to do with the problems you were just trying to scare me with? Powerful cleaner? Oh good, it's not Clean Master. Clean Master. Oh, I'm just trying to clean your device. Oh, but you're just scamming me. No, you'll give me a virus! Ah! Stop trying to give me random viruses! I mean, good. It's good that whenever I'm on the Windows scam websites, I'm not being given random viruses. Those would probably be dangerous to me, because I'm not on an Android device. But it's scary that these literally can just give you a fake update. And remember, Android is only updated through the settings menu. Don't fall for any of these. What is that? Congratulations.co.a11.bid. Get 100% performance of your Samsung GT i9505. Click OK to know how. Oh, you don't have to yell how at me. Oh, and I will not. Wait, oh, not say OK. Where's the OK button? But it's probably without its hit. Install now. Nice try. I say nice try because you have an outdated Google logo. Nice try. You don't realize Google's updated their logo, do you? Prevent from creating additional dialogues. If only that was a permanent prevent button and not just a temporary one for the current website you're on. What is this app gas station? I'm kind of cautious of those mature websites. They can pop up, hence why I called it usually safe. This update is strongly recommended. Update or Android may be slow and your Samsung Galaxy S4 might be corrupt. I always say it like that because it's obvious that it's just a little like ad-libs dialogue, or at least we call it mad-libs, not ad-lib. I think it is like ad-libs, they call it mad-libs dialogue. It's just reference how bad it sounds. Ugh. Performance is getting bad, but it's not because these scam websites are the ones that try to fake a CAPTCHA. Just a warning to everyone. Don't update to Windows 10 if you want your recordings to be good and Adobe Premiere Pro CS6 to still work good. Because both get downgraded with one of those big updates to Windows 10. Just a warning. What's this Baller FT thing? Awesome! Gift of the day. I missed that the first time. Maybe that's why they won't stop showing me it. Netflix? Oh, you're totally Netflix. Don't pay attention to this just being text and not being the Netflix logo. Ignore that this says ff.bradyuniverse.com. Ignore that. Ignore that due to it being an image, I can totally change it to random stupidity and make it say, there. That was easy. Doesn't really fit because the brand here does not really match up. Stable. Nah, give me a virus again. Wow, that didn't start until just recently. Why are they trying to give me virus APKs? I don't want virus APKs. I don't want mature websites. I don't want two viruses. Viruses. I'm always scared of mature websites gonna come up. See, redirect to Amazon. It likes doing that. I don't want an awesome gift. If only you give me a virus like that other website. Media fame. I think I'll pass. Good content. Pussy for your Android. Play dot. Oh. I thought that said lols. And I was like, lols? Are you laughing? Is this a joke? Whenever it redirects to a mature website, it usually does a bunch of redirects, so it kind of scares me. I don't want to have to mess with Adobe Premiere Pro much, because you have to see how slow that thing tries drawing things. It like does these old-fashioned wipes from top to bottom, and it's really slow. Windows 10, why'd you have to destroy things? Why are you the only thing that people sell nowadays? I miss Windows 7. I don't want an awesome gift. This is what it's sticking to now, isn't it? Do I have to change something here? Nope, dead end. Dead end or awesome gift, and I don't want the awesome gift. Or a wheel. A wheel scam. Wheel scam! Yeah, let me just copy this. Where's those variables? There's a variable in here and I could change it. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. This is fast. Except for that stupid dialogue I can't disable. That's what I don't like about this wheel scam. It always comes up with a stupid dialogue when it appears. So you have to do this over and over again. Enter. Enter. F8 plus F6. Enter. Do this over and over again. Won't stop loading it. This is why our cue to switch. Fedora. Let me guess. It's gonna be the same as Windows scams. Whoa. No, Bob, we're good. We only have some girls that remind me of the one on that website we saw. And Nintendo Switch. Oh, speaking of the Nintendo Switch, I have the Nintendo Switch. I played Sonic Forces. The game is just as bad as people say. If I couldn't tell based on the gameplay, trust me, I could. This is kind of scary. Roblox. Reminds me of what happens when you try to download from Mediafire. Sometimes it just puts me on Roblox. That's good. I don't want an awesome gift! That is going to be like a funny thing to bring up. I don't want an awesome gift. Oh! Free doc to PDF files converter. I think I could just search for free websites on the internet to do that. Or you could just upload to Google Docs, then tell it to export as a PDF. That's an option. Get doc to PDF! Oh, I thought I could catch on to that URL. I'll call on to one of the in-between ones. There's that variable I want to change. I love cookies. Who doesn't like cookies? Unless you're talking about whatever European government's responsible for that stupid law over there. They hate cookies. What a shame. They're perfectly fine for your computer, for the record. If you hate those stupid things, install I don't care about cookies. It's also available in Firefox. And you can install Firefox on Android and you never have to deal with the stupid cookie warning. Just a heads up for anyone who hates those. Because they are stupid. Oh, promotional contest! I missed this. Why would Google be trying to give out an iPhone? If anything, they would give out a Pixel. The Pixel is their own phone. Let me guess, none of them you choose is the gift box? Or let me guess, it's scripted so that the third gift box always gives you the iPhone? Ah! Han in there. Real E. Roblox. Oh, pirates. It just reminds me of pirates. Nice looking landing page though, but it's on the same website as that warning. It's on the same website as the one with the female voice on it and the stupid age limit crap. It's the same website. There's a better looking page here, just because it doesn't involve some woman on the side saying warning. The new iPhone X. Get $1. Okay, you look very similar to that Netflix thing, and I could probably say, yeah, maybe $1 to Netflix, no matter how scammy that already sounds. But the iPhone, no, that thing isn't gonna be $1. No, I know what you're gonna do. iPhone X2. That doesn't change anything. Okay, this is a legitimate website. Kind of feels more at home when you see one of these websites.